Students, today we are going to discuss playing with magnet. Playing with magnet. So in this playing with magnet, we see first of all subtopics. First, definition of magnet. What is the magnet? And second one is magnetic material, and third one non-magnetic material, and fourth one properties of magnet, and fifth one types of the magnet, and magnetic compass. Okay, so first in this chapter, so what is a magnet and what is a magnetic material, non-magnetic material, and properties of the magnet, and types of the magnet, and magnetic compass. See, coming to the definition of the magnet, see, the magnetic substance attract or repel the another magnet is called as magnet. And another definition one is the substance which are attract the nail is called as magnet. Okay, and coming to the definition of the magnetic material, the magnet which are attracted the substance which are attracted by the magnet are called as magnetic material. So name itself is there, magnetic material. So ఏ సబ్స్టాన్స్ అయితే మ్యాగ్నెట్ తన వైపు అట్రాక్ట్ కాబడతాయో అలాంటి మెటీరియల్ ఏమంటున్నామంటే మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ మెటీరియల్ అంటున్నాం. Once again, what is the magnetic material? The substance which are attracted by magnet are called as magnetic material. So example, iron, cobalt, nickel. So all the metal substances are the magnetic material. And non-magnetic material, the substance which are does not attracted by the magnet is called as non-magnetic material. So what are they? Best example, book, wooden, stone. So these are not attracted by the magnet. Okay, and coming to the fourth one, properties of the magnet. So in this very important properties, the first property of the magnet is attractive or repulsion property. Attractive or repulsion property. Why is called as attraction and repulsion property? See, magnet. So let us see. This is a Bohr magnet. In this Bohr magnet, it has north and south pole. So bring another magnet near to the first magnet. Here north and south. Here south and north are the poles. Pole. So what is the pole here? So note down everyone, by looking the video, note down everyone. See the point, at a point, the maximum attraction power, the point which has maximum attraction power is called as pole. ఏ పాయింట్ దగ్గర అయితే మ్యాక్సిమం అట్రాక్షన్ పవర్ ఉంటుందో అలాంటి పాయింట్ ఏమంటున్నామంటే పోల్ అంటున్నాం. అయితే పోల్ మ్యాక్సిమం అట్రాక్షన్ పవర్, ద పాయింట్ at which the maximum attraction power, attraction force, that point is called as pole. So north pole and south pole, polar pole region, attraction force is more in compared to other places. See here, south pole and north pole. So we can say that south and north here unlike pole. So unlike poles are attract. Next, light poles. So what are the light poles here? So south and south or north and north. These are dipole. So this is the first property. The magnet has attraction or repulsion power. So unlike poles are attract, like poles are repel. So see, like pole, the north, south, north. So same poles are in same opposite to each other. So here same poles are repel here. This is the first property. And second property is directive property. So why is called as directive property? See my dear, Earth is big magnet. Earth act as big magnet. So do you know the direction of the Earth? So north, south, east, west. So west. So four direction we have. Says or no? Earth has four direction. So north, south. So we have here north and south. No. See my dear, why is called as directive property? No. So this direction of the magnet or direction of the Earth, we can find by using magnetic compass. See, magnetic compass is considered as one box. So inside box one magnetic needle. This magnetic needle always shows north and south direction. The magnetic needle always show north and south direction. So simple. We don't have any magnetic compass now. So what you want to do is take one bar magnet. So this is example for bar magnet. So take the bar magnet and suspend it freely with the help of thread. So thread ni ఒక ఎండ్ కట్టేసి ఇలా వేలాడదీయండి. అండ్ విరిల్ ద బార్ మ్యాగ్నెట్ని తిప్పండి. ఆఫ్టర్ సమ్ టైమ్, సో నౌ దిస్ ఇస్ ద బార్ మ్యాగ్నెట్. ద బార్ మ్యాగ్నెట్ డైరెక్షన్ ఈజ్ ఈస్ట్ అండ్ వెస్ట్ డైరెక్షన్. ఇలా ఫ్రీగా తిప్పండి దీన్ని. ఆఫ్టర్ సస్పెండెడ్ అంటే వేలాడదీసిన తర్వాత. సో వాట్ యూ వాంట్ టు డూ ఈజ్ after rotation the suspended bar magnet come to rest in the north and south direction. You leave any direction, but finally the suspended bar magnet come to rest in the north and south direction, because magnet has north and south pole. Similarly, magnet also, earth also, it has a magnet. See here, so take him stand to the stand. Here thread. So one end you suspended bar magnet like this. So here north and south direction. and this wheel tippandi dini. So after rotation, the ball magnet come to rest at north and south direction. North and south direction. So how do you find the direction of the magnet? How do you find? You find by using the ball magnet. By using the ball magnet. Say sir now. And third one is magnetic induction. Magnetic induction. So note down that one. So what is the magnetic induction here? What is the magnetic induction here mean? So take a ball magnet. So take a ball magnet. So you can hold like this. So ball magnet north and south ball magnet. So what you want to do is this ball magnet bring here to the safety pin. Okay. So what will happen? The safety pin attract to the safety pin is a metal is attract to the ball magnet. Say yes or no? Attract. Now you take pin all pin. So bring this all pin to the safety pin. This all pin also attract. Is attracted by safety pin. So why does attracted by safety pin? See my dear. Now the safety pin is act as magnet. Here magnetic property is induced by the magnet. Magnetic property is induced by magnet to the safety pin. That's why the safety pin is act as magnet. Now this magnet act as no. Safety pin is act as magnet. That's why this also act as north and south. Now safety pin has the north and south pole. This safety pin as a magnet is attract another metal. Now induced. So magnetic property is induced by the magnet to the safety pin. So that's why it is called as magnetic induction. You take another safety pin here, you bring this safety pin also attract. Now this all pin is act as magnet. The magnetic property induced by the safety pin. So this is a property. This is a property of the magnet. Okay, attractive property and repulsive property and directive property and magnetic induction. Magnetic induction. And next one is, see here, magnetic field. Students, everyone note down. Very important this one. Magnetic field. So what is the magnetic field? Field is a region and space. The space around the magnet is called as magnetic field. So magnetic field అని ఏం చెప్పొచ్చు అంటే ఒక స్పేస్ అంటే ఒక రీజన్ అది. సో మ్యాగ్నెట్ చుట్టూ ఉండే స్పేస్ని ఏమంటున్నామంటే మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ అంటున్నాం. సో సీ హియర్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్. సో బాల్ మ్యాగ్నెట్ here north pole and south pole. So magnetic field around the magnet is like this. See lines. This is called as magnetic field line. Magnetic. So this total region is called as magnetic field. This line is called as magnetic field line. Magnetic field line. Magnetic field line. See the direction of magnetic field north to south. North to south. See now bar magnet the bare magnet surrounded by the magnetic field line. These field lines are the closed loop. The direction is north to south direction. So inside the Bohr magnet, the field lines are from south to north direction. Very very important. The field line directions are north to south outside, but inside south to north field lines. So what is the magnetic field lines? So inside the magnetic field lines and the magnet surrounded by this region is so in this place only the attraction power is more. Suppose you keep the magnet here, simply be attracted by the magnet. Suppose you keep the iron nail here, does not attract. Suppose you keep the iron nail here, so without contact immediately will attracted by the magnet. So because of magnetic field is affected, magnetic field is produce a force. Magnetic field produce attraction force. Say sir no. See like this similarly like a Bohr magnet, suppose here current carrying wire. This is let us current carrying wire. The current is flowing in the wire. See my dear, magnetic field also developed like this. Magnetic field are developed. Okay. The magnetic field, otherwise the magnetic fields are developed like this. Current carrying wire. When the current is flowing through the wire, the magnetic field is developed surrounded by the wire. అందుకే ఆ వైర్ని మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే ప్లాస్టిక్ కోటింగ్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఆ ప్లాస్టిక్ కోటింగ్ లేకుండా దగ్గరగా చేయి ఇలా పెట్టినా కదా ఇమీడియట్గా టచ్ చేయకముందే ఇమీడియట్గా అట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తుంది. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ఈస్ ప్రొడ్యూస్డ్. ఓకే, నౌ ద కరెంట్ క్యారింగ్ వైర్ ఈస్ యాక్ట్ యాజ్ magnet. The current carrying wire is act as magnet. So when do the wire is act as magnet? When the current is flow to the wire. So magnet we see the properties, attractive property and repulsion property, and directive property and induction property. Say yes or no? Suppose, do you understand magnetic field? See next. So take a Bohr magnet. It has a north and south pole. It cut into two pieces. See, became two pieces. So each now one Bohr magnet is divided into two pieces. These two pieces act as individual Bohr magnet. It has north and south, north and south. There is no distraction of pole. Pole and distraction jaragadu. Definitely, individual Bohr magnet it act as a magnet only. Again, divided into two. Again, this Bohr magnet. So north, south. Here. So north, south. Again here, north, south, north, south. Now two magnets became four. Again further divided, double. So if one magnet is break down into pieces, so every pieces is act as a magnet. Every piece is act as a magnet. Say sir no. See here, how do you prepare Bohr magnet? How do you prepare? See now, so take one Bohr magnet. So let us Okay, this is iron piece. Let us the iron piece. Let us this is a piece of chalk. Iron piece. Let us the duster bar magnet. Now bar magnet and iron piece. Now iron after rubbing the iron piece is became the magnet. So what you want to do is take the bar magnet. This bar magnet, see here, from top to bottom you rub like this in one direction. Rub the bar magnet against the iron nail in one direction. You see like this, one direction again from top to bottom, again top to bottom. So rub it in one direction. So after rubbing for several times, this iron nail became the magnet. It has a magnetic property. After getting rubbing, after rubbing, the iron nail is act as a bar magnet. Now this nail became the magnetic properties, repulsion property, attractive property, directive property, induction property. So like this you want to do it for preparation of own magnetic compass. How to prepare own magnetic compass here? See, own magnetic compass. So in this own magnetic compass, so take a big beaker. Okay, big beaker. So in this fill with water, beaker fill with water and keep here wooden piece. Here wooden, keep the wooden piece here. Now what you want to do is take the magnetized needle. Take magnetized. How to get magnetized needle? Just now I told. Take a iron and rub against the magnetic, magnetic bar magnet. So bar magnet తీసుకొని iron nail తీసుకొని ఇలా రబ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఒక డైరెక్షన్ రబ్ చేస్తే the iron nail is act as a magnet. That is called as magnetized needle. Now magnetized needle keep on the wooden piece and leave it, and it will show the direction of north and south direction. It shows the magnetic needle. It shows the magnetic needle north and south direction. I told you no directive property. A suspended bar magnet come to rest in the direction of north and south. So north and south direction lo ivi vastayi. So danni directive property antam. So by the directive properties only we prepared whole magnetic compass. We prepared whole magnetic compass. Do you understand magnet? Next, in coming to types of, see here, types of magnet. Types of magnet. The types of magnet here, first one is bar magnet. Note down everyone. Bar magnet. See the bar magnet. It has north and south pole. North and south pole. Next, horseshoe magnet. See here. Where the poles are located? Here. North and south pole. North and south. Okay. Next one. Ring magnet. So like this. So in this ring, where did you find the pole in the ring? సో పోల్ ఎక్కడ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. పోల్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ద పాయింట్ వేర్ ద మ్యాక్సిమం అట్రాక్షన్ పవర్, ఏ పాయింట్ దగ్గర అయితే మ్యాక్సిమం అట్రాక్షన్ పవర్ ఉంటుందో ఆ పాయింట్ ఏమంటున్నాం, పోల్ అంటున్నాం. ఓకే, హియర్ in ring magnet the pole is at middle. So middle. Okay, next fourth one is disc magnet. Fourth one is disc magnet like this. So like this. So here in case of disc magnet also the pole in middle of the disc only. Okay, so once I am repeating you guys, see. So coming to the definition of the magnets: magnetic material, non-magnetic material, and properties of the magnet, and next one types of the magnet, and magnetic compass, and how to get one magnet. So magnetization of iron, demagnetization of the iron. So what is magnetization of iron and demagnetization here? So note down number one. See, magnetization, demagnetization. So what you want to do is, see here, this is iron nail. In this iron nail, the ball magnet, so north or south, you rub like this, one direction. So like only one direction you rub it. Then the iron became the magnetized. Demagnetization. So demagnetization is nothing but removal of magnetic property from the substance. ఆ సబ్స్టాన్స్ నుంచి మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ప్రాపర్టీ రిమూవ్ చేయడాన్నే డీమాగ్నెటైజేషన్ అన్నారు. సో హౌ ద డీమాగ్నెటైజేషన్ విల్ గెట్? రఫ్ హ్యాండ్లింగ్ అంటే ఏంటి? సో ఇలా పైకి కిందికి సో ఎక్కడంటే అక్కడ పడేయడం. On heating, the magnet can heat. On heating, so what will happen now? The magnet lose their properties. They lose their properties. Heating, rough handling, simply falling down. So ఇలా ఇష్టం వచ్చినట్టుగా హ్యాండ్లింగ్ చేయడం వల్ల డీమాగ్నెటైజేషన్ అవుతుంది. సో magnetization, another method also is there. See, take iron. As iron, this is iron piece. In iron piece, take two magnets. See here, this is one magnet, north and south, and another magnet is also north and south. So this magnet drag in this direction, and another magnet drag in this direction. So two magnets is, so that's why it's called as double touch magnet. So double touch method, double. So this magnet rub against this iron in this direction. Then after double touch method, the magnet is act as the iron is act as magnetic property. So like this, you want to prepare the own magnet. But where did you find this magnet? So any uses of the magnet? So magnets are used very well for tape recorder, recording the tape recorder. So tape recorder, you want to record the voice, you are using the magnet. In ATM, no? So depositing money and withdrawing money, that's also using the magnet. And metal detector, to detect the metal. So for metal detector also you are using the magnet. So all these things are the metals. Okay.